life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. Falling, 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 started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling too? Grabbing the wind, cutting my skin, but it's hard because I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. Because I'm falling, I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. Falling, 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 falling.
My God, it's too rough, guys. I need better tires. Tires flat. Chunks out of my freaking tire. Oh my God. All right, guys, let's go pick up some dinner. All right, Jess. Hello. Ah, meow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. The board ran away, guys. The board ran away. Get over here, Teemo. God. Huh? Where are you? The car? The truck? I don't want to leave the truck here, guys. It's your boy Robert here, along with Jess on the bed. Say hi, Jess.
Hello.
Oh.
Hello.
Hello. I apologize about the cell phone quality. I forgot my main camera at work today, which included some good clips that I wanted to edit tonight. But you know what? I'm not gonna leave you guys hanging. I have some clips that I took today with my drone and with this bad boy, with the cell phone. So I'm gonna put that together and post it as soon as possible. And tomorrow I'll get my camera. I got some footage in that bad boy that I want to share with you guys, as always. All right, so you guys have a great day. Peace.